G'day to everyone out there. This is just a quick video just to show you how to generate your tax statement for either your superannuation or just your personal investments. So firstly, you will need to log on, as is becoming common theme in these videos. Once you are logged on, up the top there, you will see where it says reports in the tab here. So just click on that one. And then when that page loads, you will see there all your different investment packages. So obviously this is a demo, this has got all of them, but you might only have 1, 2, maybe even 3 packages. You can generate either individual statements, so for your returns and your withdrawals to the relevant package, or you can just perform a batch report. So report type, payouts or withdrawals or combined, and you can just put a custom date in here too. So you can easily say last month, this month, or just click on custom range there. Beyond that, when you press download, as you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, it will start downloading down here in an Excel format. And print that off, email it, do whatever you need to do with it. If you've got value out of the video, make sure to drop us a like, hit subscribe, push notifications. It really helps the channel out and helps the company out even more. So appreciate that, and we'll see you next time.